Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to our pastime. Today I have a little bit of a project I've been putting off for some time, mostly due to weather. I have to move a building, small little shed, from its current location across a muddy garden. The garden has not had a chance to dry out this spring due to rain 10 weekends in a row. So today is the first day we've had that is bright and sunny, and hopefully the garden is not muddy or not too muddy, so that I can move this little garden shed. It used to be our farm stand, but now it's a garden shed, and it's not in the right location currently, and I need to move it to a new location so that I can better utilize the area around my garden. So I'm just preparing to move this shed. I have to first cut some rollers. Rollers are being sourced. These rollers are being sourced from some spruce trees or fir trees that died recently on my property. Just cutting them into 5 and 6 foot lengths to put underneath the farm stand to more easily move it. You will see that in just a second. I'm using my dad's old buck saw. This has been in my generation since before I was born, so it's an old saw, but it still works really nicely. Alright, I have some logs set up to roll the shed across the muddy part of the garden. And let's see if the tractor will start. Let's turn on the gas. Gas is on. Get out of gear. Will it start? It has been several months since I have attempted to start this. I have rototilled the garden here once, but it was very muddy. You can see it looks really chunky from rototilling, and the tractor doesn't sink too far, but it sinks quite a ways in the garden. At this point, I'm wondering if it's even sinking in the grass over here, and so I'm wondering if I'm even going to be able to move this shed today. It's heavier than it looks. And it is very soft here. My guess is that it weighs about 1,000 pounds with the contents inside. Right now it's sitting on cement blocks. Yes, many rainy days have made this garden very soft, if not muddy. Just hooking the straps up to the tractor and the lag bolts that I screwed in there earlier, as you saw. I'm attempting to tug it for the first time in several years. Rollers make all the difference in the world. Just a little bit of leverage and some coaxing. Get the rollers underneath. The struggle I'm having right now is the back of the shed is plowing dirt. It's still resting on the ground a little bit in the back, so it's creating a little bit of resistance. Almost lost it. Those are the old rollers. It's been sitting on with the cement blocks for a couple of years. The rollers also help to, if you get them in the right place, it really helps with the balance points on that shed. So you can really, just a little bit of pushing and tugging can really, it's all it takes to move it once you have the balance points right. Here's that dirt that was holding me back. And of course, the camera did not record through human error, but I did pivot the farm stand around to change directions, and now we're heading north. I have one long roller on the outside edge and just using the shorter rollers underneath. One edge on the ground, one edge of the rollers are on the ground, the other edge of the roller is on the long log underneath. It's just pretty easy, especially with a little help from the tractor. all in all, it's pretty low effort. Just a little time consuming because you have to go in small spurts as you run out of. Like, imagine if I'd used more logs instead of 4 rollers. If I'd had several more rollers, I could have continued on, but more quickly, I mean. But at with 4 rollers, I was able to get the job done. And a couple long logs. the final push, it's finally where I want it to be for the next few years, I guess. And I'll just push this out of the way and call it a day. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for coming along with me today for this little show and tell of how I moved the building. And I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.